So if you've been following along, I've given up on what I'm going to do. No, I'm just kidding. So, part 2 of this wonderful issue that I'm having with this X1 Carbon and not this one. So, I put in a ticket with Bamboo Lab. They told me to do a bunch of stuff that I didn't do. One of them was cleaning the rods. Totally forgot about that. But, just to give an update, so far, I have changed the nozzle, the extruder, the fan assembly, Bowden tubes from the extruder all the way up to the AMS. I've swapped AMSs from here to here, thus switching the filament from here to here. So different filament, different AMS. This AMS has all new Bowden tubes in it as well. I don't know if I said it, but I changed the extruder gear in there. I did a factory reset on this machine. I cleaned the carbon rods. I did an XY recalibration. I did a system recalibration. I did a filament recalibration, flow, and the other one that I can't think of what the hell it's called. And here we are, still with a problem. A little better, but you can see right where it says Ralph, there's some, actually even around the microphone, there's some crazy under extrusion. Now everyone keeps saying, change your infill, change your infilament, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. That's not what the problem is, because here it is done on this machine, same one, and it looks, there's a little bit of issue, but otherwise, night and day difference between this one and that one. But now the weird thing, again, is if I print directly from here, from the system menu, and I use the files that come with the X1 Carbon, they come out perfectly fine. Here's a multicolored coin, or medallion, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful. Perfect. Here is a chamfer gauge. Perfect. No issues whatsoever. So, I got a ticket in with Bamboo Lab. We've been talking back and forth. I give them an update on what I've done. I give them a 3MF file of what I printed. Hopefully we can figure it out, because again, same 3MF file, different filament, but the same, type. Doesn't work on this machine, but works completely fine on this machine. Weird. So, that's an update. As soon as I know more, I'll let you know. My next bit is I might downgrade the firmware on here, but they're both running the same firmware. Oh, and I've also reinstalled Bamboo Studio as well. So, that's the update. As soon as I get more info, I'll let you all know.